Nah.
All you need to do is capture
Nah.
this
It's not
area.
focused me, I'm broken.
Okay.
I mean, if my team wasn't, you know, garbage.
Devil Luno.
That's much better.
Yup. Broken.
Whoa. Phoenix right there. Beast.
Double kill.
The fuck? Who's hitting me?
That's 3.
Where the fuck? Where's the Scarlet Witch at? Please stop hitting me.
Phoenix is, oh my god, what happened? Okay, Hawkeye, hold on.
Wait, Hawkeye's not banned? Oh, hell no. That criminal ass
We
character.
playing Hawkeye at least.
Oh, okay, thank goodness.
Don't get that
I won the Hawkeye RNG.
Not exactly the map, but
At least 4-1. Okay, yes, I won the Hawkeye RNG. The first time ever. Oh my god.
it was a fair fight. Back to my
Fair
old
fight. You lost.
What's going on?
I like that. Hold on. The wows.
We're on a show. Double kill. That's 3.
It's 3.
Bruh.
My radar.
Okay.
2 over here. No! Fucking Scarlet Witch!
Okay,
Scarlet
it's
Witch!
fine. You got
I
it?
got hit by the Scarlet Witch!
Keep up the momentum.
we get the checkpoint?
Retrial.
Oh, we did. Nice.
I see
I was as adored by the heroes of Midgard as you are, little one.
What the hell am I listening to?
I don't even know.
Oh, that thing can talk? Oh, it's a girl? Oh, shit. I know it's a girl.
Wait, who?
The payload, the Ratatosker. The squirrel that we're delivering.
Oh, is that what was talking?
Yeah. I know it was a girl.
That's it. Don't let
I don't know how I'm getting away with this character into Scarlet Witch, but whatever.
us against the world.
Bro, Strange is portaling or something? I don't even know what he's doing, bro.
My fucking god, Phoenix does so much damage this patch.
Bro, Strange just portaled, bro. I don't even know what he portaled. Or
Aw, she
why.
headshot me, man.
Demand a retrial.
4K, what are you talking about?
Get that vehicle moving
You
again.
just be talking.
Back to
Holy. Go ahead and alt us out. Holy, they all ulted.
Can't dodge this one.
This is his first time playing, yes. She's already...
We did not win
Diamond.
the Hawkeye lottery.
I always get back up.
You know, it looked like we did, but we didn't.
Oh,
And now we
man.
have a Hulk and a thing.
Oh, man.
Get that vehicle moving again.
This is a team effort. I can
What the fuck?
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, Scarlet Witch is on me. It's so annoying. hate playing dive into Scarlet Witch.
Oh my
Die,
god,
idiot.
thank you so much for the 67. 67?
Oh hell nah.
67?
Nah, dude. Come on,
Not on the
man.
front page. I think it's like it's more of like a gambling thing, you know, you might
She got unlucky.
may or may not be on it.
Yeah, she got unlucky.
And
I think.
unfortunately, yeah, I think either I got unlucky or I'm streaming like too late.
Oh, we did it at the same time as now yesterday when I was doing it with Shine.
I don't know, they hate me, I think.
You should have just joined us.
They call
It's
me
all good
Detail
though.
now.
You should have just joined us, dude.
I should have, but I was gonna already do something else because
Oh, okay.
I had just got home. So.
They call me Detong now, but Daredevil will do.
I wish this game I played a game instead of Ace like Overwatch. Eh. I don't really mind either or.
Round 2.
Sometimes it helps to have a
I get what
teammate
you mean,
who
though.
sees things differently.
Punk, you done arguing for today?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Hamad deleted the VOD?
Bruh.
What? Oh, come on, man. No, that's actually. I
Can't
don't want
grab
to say what
popcorn
it
after
is.
this and watch? Oh, man.
Nah, deleting the VOD is crazy. What are you doing? Just hanging in there?
Yeah, it's scared to climb
Battle
walls.
starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop that.
It was crazy. Like, I had to stop what I was doing and watch it.
The Sanctum Sanctorum is
Happy
my
birthday.
my fortress.
Happy birthday.
Enemy in front of us.
That's much better.
Brother.
I see you.
I'm in their backline going crazy right now.
Double KO. That's 3.
You are going crazy.
No! I got kicked in the face. Damn.
I think I could
She
get
really
a few
did
more
kick me
rounds.
over. You saw that shit?
Bro, what happened to Hulk? Just saw him falling. Oh my god, he's gone again.
Our enemies are near. Indeed.
Bro, they're playing so far back. I can't even get back there. If I go that back there, I'm gonna die. That's how far back they are right now.
The moon haunts you.
You are nothing.
I'm hanging on this wall.
I am ready.
What? She ulted? No! No! She really ulted me there? I was about to kill like 3 of them to be fair, so I'm not surprised. Oh man.
I always get back up.
I have ult, but I don't think I can get away with killing everybody here. I would need at least one more person. I can't. I would need one more person with me, chat. Wait, I'm Daredevil. I shouldn't be afraid. I should have done it.
Yeah, come on, bro.
I'm not fulfilling the character.
We could have had a fast game.
Fast game. Bro, this Phoenix is on my ass. Oh my god. Oh, I'm about to freaking hard focus her. I mean, she's the one doing anything on their team anyway. What the hell? Why am I not killing her?
Knock me out. I
I'm gonna
always
just
get back up.
really focus her. No one's doing anything on their team. We're showing fear as Daredevil. My fault. My fault. My fault. Yeah, I'm not a Lord Daredevil. I don't want to hear it. Now, where's she at? I'm about to fucking kill Phoenix.
Oh my god.
She ulted. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, bro. I was about to kill her and she just fucking ulted. Like, oh brother.
Please, knock me out. I always get back up.
I was really about to destroy her too. What's up, Madarashi?
Hulk is just, I don't even know what Hulk is doing, bro.
Oh, brother.
The moon haunts you. This is real firepower.
I am ready to put on a show.
Okay? You're gonna kill me with him? Oh my god, Jeff swallowed me.
What? There's no way.
Trials move back to my old self.
Oh my fucking god, bro. This Phoenix has killed me 4 times now in a row. No one else is killing on their tiers of her. What's up, bro?
Rogue is literally on us, so we can't even do anything. And then you're on them, so they can't do anything.
Oh shit. We need more dive then. Double the dive. Get that guy off
What are you
Hawkeye.
doing, VP?
Destroy these ults as soon as you see them.
Yo, BP, when we playing Tekken, dude.
Tekken?
Yeah, Tekken's fine. You don't like Tekken?
He's a Street Fighter player, man.
Oh, my bad. My bad, yeah.
He stopped them in their tracks.
Oh, this guy is crazy, bro.
Bro, she ulted again! Oh my god! I cannot kill this girl!
No, that guy is actually cooking. Holy shit.
He just solo ulted me!
Double KO.
He just solo ulted me. What the? I can't kill him. Every time I try to kill him, he just ults me. I don't have a blade. What the?
Only 60 seconds left.
When the hell do we get a blade, bro?
That's much better. You deserve the credit, not me.
I won't.
Yeah, I'm a controller player. I am.
Much obliged.
I don't be trying to play this game too serious to play on mouse and keyboard, but I do want to make another account to learn mouse and keyboard.
Beast inside of me hungers.
I'm literally gonna ult Phoenix.
Let the devil.
She's dead.
Nah, it's all good, bro.
She ulted! Oh, brother. They double support ulted.
Final 10 seconds.
You really swallowed me, bro.
Oh my fucking goodness.
Keep fighting until we have a winner.
Ladies, man.
They're playing Thing? I'm getting counterpicked! What is this?
Yo, please don't make this last longer.
No,
than
no, bro. Oh my god. I just want to do my Daredevil stuff in peace, bro.
KO.
I'm getting counterpicked, bro?
Justice never.
It's not that deep.
Better stop that vehicle.
Here's how you shoot.
Anything could hurt.
Hopefully Hawkeye just kills him over with his ult. Never mind, he's about to explode. And I'm getting shot at by Phoenix. Oh my fucking god.
God, bro, I don't even know what's going on. I'm just getting tossed. I'm getting tossed.
Yeah, we are clapping their backline. Okay. I will switch characters. I'm dying too much because of the fucking counter picks. So unfun. They have no shield tanks, so I'm just kill them from them. Oh, game was over. Bro, fuck. I wanted an MVP on Daredevil.
3,
Damn it.
2, 1.
Use buttons on the side of the mouse for abilities. Maybe that's what I'll do. I got a pretty good mouse. I was going to learn mouse and keyboard, but like, I wasn't even playing this game like that anyway.
Wait, why you say do a 180 real quick? Wait, what?
Cause you know, on controller, man, like if he's slow
Oh,
as hell.
I thought he was gooning. My bad.
I bought a good mouse to learn mouse and keyboard, but bro, I
Wait,
don't be
she's
playing
playing
with
cloak.
games
To
that
be
much.
fair,
Yeah, I'm playing cloak.
like it was a
I'm
fair
chilling.
assumption.
It's okay. Everyone clowns me for playing controller, but I be cooking. Like,
What? What are you?
it's
Wait,
not
what are you
even-
talking? That's what I was talking about. Don't worry, chat. She doesn't understand. She doesn't understand. Don't worry
What?
about it. Nothing. Nothing.
What?
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Aw.